Hello, everyone. My name is Teresa Santos with La Rosa Realty and the VIP Group, and I am here with your tip of the week. And today we're going to talk a little bit. Oh, and before I get started, my information is up here. So if you ever need to get a hold of me, I actually am a coach with La Rosa Realty. And I am also do mentorship. So if you're interested in mentorship, don't want to feel alone in real estate, definitely give me a call and we can connect. Just go ahead and scan my QR code. My information's on there. Share your information with me and we'll go ahead and get started. Okay. So today I wanted to talk a little bit about the importance of not using an email address that is provided to you by your broker. Why do we not want an email? They do sell it to you as you have to use this email because it will make you look more professional and all this great stuff. But in reality, it's a control tactic. So I recommend that you do not, you can accept the email, but do not use that email for your clients, because the day you decide, I don't want to be with XYZ company, now when you leave that company, that email doesn't leave with you. That email stays with your broker. And what happens when everybody has your information and has that particular email and tries to email you? Guess what's going to happen? You're not getting that email. Your broker's getting that email. And now they have access to your contacts and all your information that you have. So I really never recommend. Our brokerage, La Rosa Realty, really highly recommends you get your own email and your own domain, which we'll talk in another video. But do not get and use your broker's email address. Okay. Not only that, they block any emails from other brokerages trying to reach out to you to share what they have to offer. Right. So it's a total control thing. So if you're at a brokerage that is pushing you to use their email, I would run like hell. Just run. Or just create another email and use that for your clients and leave that email for another time. Okay. To use with, you can use it to give it to the vendors, right? But this is what I'm going to recommend for you. Do not use your broker's email address because you never know. Right now, if you want more information, obviously on a brokerage that does offer a whole lot more for you, that is always going to do right for you, that is all about family, passion, and growth, then you need to contact me at 786-226-7145. But you can also go ahead and just subscribe to my channels for further tips. And again, if you want never to be alone again in your brokerage and you need mentorship, support, masterminds, we are the company for you and I am the coach for you. So definitely give us a call and I'll see you on my next video.